Kappa here, going to be doing a blind reaction to Vending Machine by Patty Dragon Knight. Please like and subscribe, and I also have a guest, PK.
Hey guys, what's up?
And, we're going to be doing 2 video reactions, hopefully they won't block us, so let's get to it. 3, 2, 1, 1. Look with I don't know how to say it. Yeah, pretty blue sky.
Blue skies. Yeah.
Left crows.
Look at that cat.
Big fluffy cat. There's that hospital/school thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Is this guy a college student or maybe a high schooler?
It is really hard to tell. Who would have one of those machines outside?
That's a good point. That's easily how it gets broken.
They must be in Japan or something. They have more vending machines than anywhere else.
Yeah, that makes sense. If I ever go there, I would probably bring a mask with me.
Yeah. I heard it's super expensive to go to Japan or China. You have to pay like thousands of dollars because you have to be sitting in hotels all day. For 14 days.
That's cheap. Yeah, that's cheap.
Yeah. How's it, COVID? I like their style.
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm Andy. What's your name?
I'm Chris. Welcome
A
to the
coffee
Hideout,
for a
Chris.
buck?
I'm
Wow.
Alfie, the greatest coffee maker in the whole Omniverse. From Arabica
Nowadays,
to
it's
He's
$5.
just like me.
Oh, yeah.
I would like a hot chocolate, actually.
So is everybody there, Lizard?
Ah, I'll
Coffee
get
out
the
of-
mini marshmallows.
Coffee at or cocoa at a coffee shop.
Leave this one to you.
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, one delicious hot chocolate coming up.
I mean, as a kid, I used to order hot cocoa because that's all you're allowed.
Really, I only have hot chocolate. I don't drink coffee.
I only drink it for the fun of it. It has no effect on me.
You been up all night? Of course I've been up all night. Not because of caffeine, it was insomnia. I couldn't stop thinking about coffee. I need a nap. Coffee time!
Soy milk here, please. No milk. It's actually kind of accurate for making coffee.
Yeah.
Well, they don't really use those heat things. So, whatever those are.
Oh man, he's eating the He's eating the marshmallows.
Marshmallows are good. Especially when you have sore throats. He's eating it.
Yeah, doesn't that look delicious?
Oh, yes.
Here you go.
That looks very realistic.
Yeah.
This one's on the house.
Wow, that was nice.
Mm.
And very rare.
Light bulb.
Reminds me of the Ratatouille when the guy ate that food and he remembered his past.
Yeah. If I ever tried coffee for the first time, that's probably what I would imagine.
Thank you, Andy.
I'm glad you enjoy it. Hey,
Coffee's
Chris,
alright.
come by tomorrow and I'll make you
They
another.
actually have different.
Yeah.
Ooh, you said a bad word.
I'm
Oh,
deleting that.
Later.
yeah.
Later.
Yeah, I don't want any swear words in this video.
Yeah, we would probably add a SpongeBob, liar, liar, pants on fire sort of thing.
Yeah. Wait, well, how would that work for
I had no idea he'd actually go
I think
inside
I know what
today.
that. What
He usually
they use
just
for that.
orders from the vending machine.
Yeah.
Maybe that vending machine wasn't working today.
Did you turn it off? Yep, you did.
Yeah, I would probably do the same thing. But I gotta be honest, the animation is pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Wonder how long it took them to make this.
I don't know.
I know most animations take quite a while to do.
Really, it looked like it was hand-drawn.
That's actually impressive.
Yeah, you only see these sort of things like Wolfwalkers or Song of the Sea.
Oh, that's pretty
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, it's what we're gonna do next.
Yeah, it's like it read our minds. Yeah, I can still see it.
Okay, okay. I've only been on a train once in my life, and the funny thing is I have no memory of it. I was told I was on.
Yeah, it must be nice riding on a train for the first time. I only ride on a plane once.
I'm not a fan of heights.
Yeah, my ears hurt
Are
from
you
that.
sure you don't want any?
For me, I just can't stand a plane taking
was
off.
never
It freaks
really
me out.
allowed to drink coffee.
Suddenly I want to run! Chase me! Oh, now I'm sad.
You know, who knows? Maybe someday
All
we will
right.
take a train.
Yeah, my family's been hinting I should try.
Yeah.
Also, he can't.
But if
He can't have a coffee.
Wow, look at
That
that.
doesn't seem pretty fair.
Bet it smells amazing.
He probably has some disorder. I learned some people with disorders who have coffee does affect them differently.
Yeah, that's a good.
What are you doing?
That's a good point.
Dude, I'm pretty sure that's not allowed.
It's your cabin. You're allowed.
Dude, that's against
Yeah.
the rules!
It is.
It is.
Then why do they even have it there?
Oh man, it does smell amazing.
Yeah.
If it goes against
Really
the rules,
does.
it should have like a thing that says "Don't open."
Yeah. That's a good point.
Like on buses, I used to take the bus all the time. They always have a letter say "Do not pull unless an emergency."
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's a good way to lose a beak! Mind your own business! What?
I'm gonna click that. Or cut that.
Yep. Liar, liar. Who knows? Maybe someday we'll take a train.
Yeah.
Dude, did you see that? Oh my god, dude, that was awesome. Oh my god, dude, there was a
Up top.
bird.
Being a little rebellious.
Up top.
I've noticed there's a lot of lizards in this.
Yeah, that's a good point. I think it was just easier. Wait, did he-
They're a cop.
Did he just
I think
did
they're.
he just blush?
Yeah, I think they're falling for each other. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no. You know what this means, right?
Yep, they're gay.
Yeah. No feeding the birds? What? Okay, for a guy that used to have a bird OC, I'm taking offense for that.
Yeah. I mean, around here, I've learned you're not allowed to feed birds, what do you call it, wheat or bread because to the ducks because it actually causes them a lot of health problems.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I think it's because it expands in their stomach and it causes them to get sick, or I'm not really sure how that works. All I know is it's
Yeah.
now illegal to feed ducks bread.
That makes sense. Hey, look at that setup on the train.
Yeah. Yeah, that stuff looks expensive. Really fancy.
Yeah.
You got like a laptop, they got a little, I don't know what the heck
Tablet.
Tablet.
Look, yeah, it looks like mine. And there's a notebook right there. You know, if we ever take a train, it depends where we're going.
Yeah, you gotta be careful of trains because if you get off and the train's about to leave, you're pretty much doomed.
Yeah, that's a good point.
That's my family kept telling me. Why they always tell me not to take a train. I'm like, it's the same thing with the buses. That's why they give you a ton of heads up.
Yeah, so how long was this video?
This one was 3 minutes, roughly.
Huh. That's interesting. Any ideas?
I think it would be good to have just like a short video. We've been going for about 10 minutes now.
Yeah, that seems fair.
We'll probably do like a Minecraft thing next time.
Yeah, good idea.
They're usually longer.
Yeah, that's a good idea too. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please support Helping Hands channel, okay?
Yep, and don't forget to like and subscribe to,
MLP Unplug.
and also Fatty Dragon Knight, because this is their video.
Yeah, that's a good point. Big shout outs to them. Their animation is pretty cool. I'm surprised this is not a series yet on Netflix.
Yeah, it's actually
Like-
really good.
Yeah. This movie really has good potential.
Yeah, they might want to minus on the swear words, but still.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I've seen some Netflix cartoons and quite a lot of swearing and use of other stuff.
Yeah, I don't understand why they put adult movies on the kids section. Like, that doesn't make any sense.
The one thing that doesn't make sense is Disney accepting The Simpsons in there, because that's an adult cartoon.
Yeah, that is, well, for instance, it was created by Disney, actually.
Huh. I thought it was created by
Yeah.
an independent company.
Oh. Yeah, something tells me that the company that made The Simpsons was, I think they just bribed Disney.
Maybe.
So anyway, guys, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified.
Yep. Have a nice day.